Hello everyone and welcome to another Python video. So notifications came from everywhere. Okay, so in this video we want to work on image. We're gonna give input image and we're gonna convert it to other formats of images. So it's not so hard, but need a library as always. So I'm gonna put the CMD up and need pipe install Hilo. So I'm going to use this library, so it's been installed, so I don't need to install it again. So as always, I'm gonna create a new folder and name it image converter YRR, and let's go ahead and create a file main.py. Yes, and let's open VS Code. Okay, before we start coding, I need a picture here, so I'm gonna give this picture to the program. So it's JPG. I'm gonna name it iman.jpg. Okay, let's go ahead from PIL import image and actually import OS. So first I'm going to create a variable to set the input file. I'm going to name it input underline file. So it's iman.jpg. Then I'm gonna create a try. And I'm gonna open the image with image dot open input file as img. So I'm gonna open the image first, and first I'm gonna get the format. You don't need to give the program the format, and I'm gonna create a variable input underline format. I'm gonna set it up here to img dot format. And we have the format here. I'm gonna print the format after getting it. Let's go back again. F input image format is input underline format. So we have the format now, and we're going to create an array to select the output format that we want. So I'm going to name it output underline format. It's equal to, I have some default formats here: JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, TIF, ICO, WebP, and PDF. And then we're gonna print or is typing though. Print select image output image format. by entering correct number. Okay, here always okay. Here a user can select the output format that wants. So we're gonna search the format, and first of all we should show the format, and then we're gonna get the format from user. So for showing it, I create a variable for I format. I'm gonna call this fmt in array output format, and start equal to 1 because we don't have 0 here. And then I'm gonna print the items. So it's gonna be I as the code, and I did like this, and fmt. So we're gonna show the user the formats that we have and the number before that format that user selects. So I'm gonna create a variable choice. It's equal to int input. So user gonna select the format, enter the number of desired output format. Okay, and we need to check the format if was greater than equal to choice. And if have something, it wasn't empty in len output format. Let's do the output format. So output format, I'm going to create the variable output format to select the output, and output formats, the choice that the user selected, and mine is 1 because we started from showing the selection as 1, but the array starts from the 0. So I'm gonna print it here. Selected output format, output format. So it's the format that user selected, and then we should create a file here. I'm going to create output underline file. It's equal to os.path dot split text input file it's equal to plus dot and plus output format dot to lower. So we made the output file name and the format that we selected. Now we should save the image. So I'm gonna use img dot save first output format file, output file, and then output format. Now we're gonna print it f image converted and saved as output file. So it's done here. I'm gonna create the else for error, so I'm gonna print invalid choice. Please run the script again and choose or select a correct choice. Correct number. And with that, I'm gonna have an except here IO error, and gonna print error enable to open the image file. Okay, so this is our input file. We open the file, we get the format, we create an array to let users select the option that he or she wants, and then we're gonna print and show the user to select a number, and then we're gonna show the options that we have. You can add any format that you want here, but I got the default ones, and I will create a variable as a choice format. A user why R is looking like that. And user select choice, and if the choice was bigger than 1, means choice was in the correct range of array, and the length, the choice wasn't empty, we get the output format, and we want to print the output format here, and we create the output file os.path. It will be run in the same folder that you're running the project, so it will get the path of your project, split text input file, just gonna get your file and gonna split it with dots, and the output format that we got here to lower, and then we're gonna save the image as output file and format, and we're gonna print it as output file. So this is what we had. So input file is email.jpg, but we can change the name. But functionally you need just 2 items here. So I'm gonna run it to see what happened. Let's do it again. My Python has some problems. Let's see. Okay. So input image format JPG. So select output image by selecting convert correct number. So it's JPG. I want PNG. So the PNG is second one. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Let's do it again. PNG, it's 2. Something is wrong with this code, so let's see the problem. So run it from here. Unable to open the image file. I know what's the problem. Email.jpg, let's see. Is it correct? Yes. Let me just check something here. Just gonna put empty input to see the error. Let's see it again. Nope. Open it with Python. Okay. I'm gonna convert it to PNG. It's number 2. Invalid choice with script and select the correct number. Why? If one was, oh, sorry. It should be less than. Okay. I use PNG. Okay, we have the PNG file here. So I'm gonna test something interesting to convert. Is it gonna be converted to PDF or not? 8 is PDF, and yes, we have the PDF image file. So that's great. So you can add as much as you want. No, don't open it again. You can add any output format as you want and input format as you want. You don't need to give the format to the program. Program is gonna detect the format of input, and everything is fine. And let me remove these 2 prints here, and it's done. I put the library in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm waiting for your comments and waiting for what type of videos you want, type of learnings you want, in which language. I would appreciate to create a video about it. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell. Thank you so much, everyone.